Welcome, shipmates. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and I am Wanderson Moses.
And I am Maya Mateva. Due to ASVAB testing this morning and ILT in the afternoon, the library will be closed today. There's been a change to Step Up. If you are planning on staying for Step Up and need transportation, you must sign up before 9 a.m. that morning. The sign-up binder will be with Mrs. Conti in the main office. Please sign in at 9 a.m. or earlier, and you have to sign in daily. Remember to turn in registration forms. Free meal and transportation are provided.
Attention all freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. JMB Anchor Away Travel will be traveling in summer of 2021 to France, Germany. In the Alps, we will have an interest meeting on Tuesday, October 15 at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. We will discuss the trip, fundraising, opportunity, and any question. See you on the 15th at 6 p.m. There will be a book club meeting on Friday, October 11th, right after school in Miss McGinn room, G218. We'll be discussing the book What I Saw and How I Lied by Judy Blundell.
The JMB SGA will be hosting a blood drive on Tuesday, October 22nd. Students 17 years and older in good health and weighing over 110 pounds can sign up at lunches this week or email bedavis@wcboe.org. Hey JMB, join the Solutions for Multicultural Achievement and Recognition team, SMART, to promote and recognize multicultural achievement. The meeting is this Thursday at 3 in G113. This month's meeting will focus on celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. Join the SMART team for food and celebration. Any questions, contact Mrs. Bascaran in G113 or Mrs. Hetzler.
Attention all French Hunter Society members. Membership dues must be turned in Madame Gordy by Friday, October 11th in F207. Voted by you, Class of 2020, your prom theme will be James Bond. Casino World class motto is 2020, seeing a better future. Class colors are black and red. Class fire is the sunflower, and the class going is I live by one republic. Thank you to all who voted. We are excited for the next few months of planning these events for you.
If you came out to the FBLA meeting or stopped in to see Mr. Fogel for an application, please get these in ASAP. We need to get things rolling and choose officers and get ready for regional conference activities. Please stop by F111 to see Mr. Fogel if you have questions or did not get an application yet. There's a world of opportunity waiting. The JMB wrestling team will be holding an interest meeting tomorrow in the wrestling room at 2:50 p.m. If you cannot make the meeting, see Coach Gibson in the PE department.
The new boys basketball coach will be having an interest meeting today in the cafeteria at 3:30. All students interested in trying out for basketball should attend. To celebrate International Day of the Girls, Wycomico County Robotic will be hosting a GirlPowered Workshop on Saturday, October 12th. This workshop is meant to engage and inform young women about STEM and robotics. The workshop will be included hands-on activity, robotic demonstration, a GirlPower PlayStation, and a keynote speaker. If interested, please contact Mrs. Miles at jmmiles@wcboe.org.
Attention all rock and rollers, thanks to all the band members for coming out to auditions last night. As we continue the week, singer auditions will be in the auditorium at 5:30 p.m. today, Tuesday, October 8th, Wednesday, October 9th, and Thursday, October 10th. Dancer auditions will be in the Clipper Galley at 4:30 p.m. today, Tuesday, October 8th, and Wednesday, October 9th. Good luck to everyone. Now to Mrs. Savage.
Good morning, Clippers. You may have heard that we lost a 2019 JMB Clipper. Many of you knew Seth Abbey, and if you need to talk, please reach out to our guidance department. Over the course of the next few weeks, because JMB chooses love, we will work with the family and to come up with ways to support them and to honor him. I just wanted to come on and reach out that we are here to support you if you need to talk. Guidance is waiting if you want to come down and talk with them. Thank you, and that's all we have for you today. Have a great day.